Yes, that's me up there. Installing two mini splits that are going to make cold this space this hot summer. Here you can see how we install the unit with professionalism, doing it in the best way so that your space looks shiny. Here is the outside. You can see both units perfectly installed. With a closer view, you can see the disconnection box and everything in its place. If you need a solution for this heat, don't hesitate and call us. 321 Solved has a solution for every budget and for any unit, different prices, different brands.